Rocket Money Affiliate Program Registration Tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been talking about budgeting, saving money, or managing subscriptions, then Rocket Money's affiliate program might be a great way for you to monetize your content while helping others take control of their finances. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can register for the Rocket Money affiliate program, what you need to qualify, and how to start earning from your content step by step. And so, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. The first thing that we have to talk about on what is Rocket Money. Now, it's formerly known as Truebill. Rocket Money is a personal finance application that helps users track their spending, manage some subscriptions, lower the bills, set some budget, build savings automatically. Now, it's one of the top applications for people trying to get smarter with their money, which makes it very marketable to a wide audience. Now, does Rocket Money offer or have an affiliate program? The answer is yes. Rocket Money does offer an affiliate program, but it's not hosted directly through their website. Instead, they partner with affiliate networks such as Impact.com, occasionally share a sale or partner stack. Most commonly, Rocket Money's affiliate campaigns are hosted on Impact.com. Now, how to register step by step. The first thing that we want to do is to head over to rocketmoney.com/affiliates. From there, we will then be taken to the page right here. Now, if this page is not available, you can just go ahead and sign up to an account on impact.com, and from there, you then want to look for Rocket Money. But in our case, since it's open, let's just navigate through the main page right here. Scroll all the way down, and you will go ahead and see all of the terms and conditions or how the affiliate program works. But to proceed, you just want to click on the Apply Now button. Now, of course, inside this page, we then have to create our Impact.com account. So just click on the Sign Up button. From here, you can then go ahead and see the contract terms for Rocket Money. You then have to go ahead and make sure that you have agreed to the terms and conditions. So just click on the Accept button. From here, you then want to sign up with your account. Now you can sign up with Impact.com. As I've said previously, you can go ahead and do this from the Impact.com website. But in our case, since we have the page available, let's just navigate through the redirect link right here. In my case, I'm going to be using one of my Google accounts. So I'll just click on Google. And from here, let's go ahead and pick an account that I don't use for Impact.com. So let's just wait for the page to load in. And simply right after that, of course, we have to fill out some names and mobile number and the email address for Impact to get started. From there, you just want to enter the code given to you on your email address. And so right after entering the code given to you on your email address, you then want to simply enter on how you would categorize your business. So in here, we have multiple categories like social influencer, content/reviews, loyalty/rewards, deal/coupon, email/newsletter, search comparison, network, and technology solution. So in here, if you're someone like a social media influencer and your audience follows you for entertainment, you can just go ahead and choose something like social influencer. Or if you go ahead and make something like a blog or an article or newsletter, you can then go ahead and choose this category right here. Well, just to make things simple, I'll just go ahead and choose social influencer right here. Click on continue. And right after that, we then have to simply enter our social media accounts or a website if you have one, a mobile application, your own podcast, an email-newsletter. You can even add an offline promotional tool. In my case, I'm going to be adding one of my socials. So if you click on the Add Social button, it will show up this page right here where you can then go ahead and choose from a social media application or platform. In here, we have Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or X, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, LinkedIn, WeChat, and Weibo. In my case, I'm going to be using my Pinterest account. So in here, once again, you just want to click on continue. You then have to fill out this form right here about yourself. And from there, you will be able to simply apply for the program. So just click on the submit button, and then they will try to go ahead and contact you with the email that you have provided. So all you have to do is to wait for the approval. Now, the approval usually takes around 1 to 3 business days, and you'll get notified once again via your email address. From there, let's go ahead and understand the commissions and payouts for Rocket Money. Now, Rocket Money typically offers CPA, which is cost per action commission, the earnings per qualified lead or successful sign up. Now, some campaigns may offer a fixed amount per premium upgrades. Exact rates vary based on location and the affiliate network terms, and payments are handled via or by impact.com and can be sent via PayPal, a bank transfer, a wire, other methods depending on your country. Payouts are usually net 30. Now, how can you go ahead and promote Rocket Money? There are some effective strategies to promote Rocket Money. One, you have YouTube tutorials. You want to walk users through the application. Second, you have budget blog post. You then have to go ahead and title your blog post like best budgeting tools. You then have to promote this on your social media reels. You can use TikTok or Instagram to show how the application cancels unwanted subscription. You can also go ahead and promote on email newsletter. And lastly, you can even promote it on the SEO landing page. Now, as a pro tip to maximize your success, you want to focus on pain points like how to cancel subscriptions automatically. You want to promote during New Year and back to school seasons when people are most focused on saving. You want to be transparent with your audience. Rocket Money is free, but the premium features drive affiliate earnings. You want to test the application for yourself and share real screenshots or testimonials. And so that's it. You exactly know how to register for the Rocket Money affiliate program, promote it effectively, and start building a passive income stream by helping others take charge of their finances. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into the affiliate marketing with impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.